Nowadays, there is a popular term called vibe coding. You might be heard about it, but what is actually vibe coding? So now let me tell you, vibe coding is nothing but we interact with computers with our vibes. So what do you mean by that vibes? It actually simply means we interact with computers with simple prompts. Now prompts is what? That is, we give a sentence or messages to the AI tools, and in return of that, the AI tools give us feedback or output of an input. Like we heard about ChatGPT or DeepSeek, this type of AI tools or AI chatbots. And similarly, whenever we want to retrieve some data from these AI tools or you want to know something, we can do that with simple prompts, means the simple messages. We generally put that, and we know everything we need to know about from the AI tools, right? So Hubcon is something that the biggest company like Google, Microsoft, they are also using it. Now, what do you mean by vibe coding? Actually, we can build a particular apps, or you can say full apps from with the simple prompts. There are some kinds of tools or AI tools, you can say, some kinds of AI applications which are built in this way or which are designed in this way that the user generally puts an input or puts a prompts, and in return of that, with matching with the vibes of the user, they can actually build the apps full-fledged. Okay, so we can do that, and there is something tools like there are lovable apps, you can do with that also vibe coding, or there are Cursor AI, you might be heard about it. So this kind of tools are there. With that, we can make full-fledged websites or full-fledged AI applications or full-fledged apps, so that we can also deploy them as well. So they can also help us to deploy publicly or publish publicly. So in this way, you can do vibe coding, and the big companies like Google, Microsoft, they are also using the vibe coding, and they are also building these kinds of tools to help the coder. Okay, now the vibe coding is generally for what, or which kinds of peoples or which kinds of programmers? If programmers can use vibe codings or can do vibe codings, yes, programmers can also do vibe coding, but there is a catch. The catch is that if a programmer is in beginner level or in his intermediate state, he should not be do vibe coding, because if there is a problem, there came a problem in your apps, in your applications, after deploying them, or how can you fix them if you don't know actual the programming or actual working of the AI applications or of that applications you are building behind the scene. Okay, so you should know the behind the scene working or behind the scene programming actually. So if you know that, then vibe coding is for you, and you can save more time with the vibe coding. Let me tell you more about these kinds of vibe coding tools like Lovable or Cursor AI. These kinds of tools help you to interact with simple prompts, and it also take the feedbacks from the user, means it also take the feedbacks from you while building the apps or building the applications, so that you can or user can also improve the apps also, and also add more features, or also can remove the feature by default. So in this way, it will help you to build entire applications, right? More part about lovable apps is that it helps you to build the entire apps, and then also helps you to deploy it or to publish it publicly. Okay, but Cursor AI is something that cannot help you to build the entire apps. If you prompts like that, then it also helps you, means generally act with your prompts, means it generally act with according to the user prompts and build the apps entirely according to the user inputs basically. I hope you have understood what is vibe coding actually is, and if you understood this video, and please make sure you subscribe and hit the like button also. So that's for this video, and I will see you in the next video.